Holler! What's going on, Holler Gang? Holler Gang! What's going on with ya? Yep, Ace is back with another video. About to head to a car show. And it's about 45 minutes from the house. So, about to get Holler 2 ready. Loading up some. I just put my tent in, and just put the tent in here. I gotta get my chairs. I got taking my one of my daughters with me, so I gotta get our chairs. Yeah, so gotta get my chairs put in here. Then I'll be ready to go. Well, not really, because we gotta go hit the wash. Hit the wash, vacuum it out, wipe it down, inside, out. You gotta, no. And then, also I gotta wipe down the engine compartment. Yeah. I'm ready to take home a trophy today. But I'm gonna show y'all something that like some of my new subscribers haven't seen. I know it's getting dark because I'm in my garage getting these daggone chairs. So I'll put this chair over here. This chair and this big chair. Lounging today. And oh shoot, almost failed, y'all. But yeah, so got the chairs, so we about to hit the road, I guess, as soon as she find her purse. But let me get this, let me show y'all something. Lena, you didn't close the door on me? No, I don't even have my house key. Yeah. Hold on. Did you lock it? Now my daughter didn't lock me out that up. She ain't even lock it. See how kids do? Just close the door. Get my house key. Yeah, but I'm ready. You ready? Have to come back and get this. Yeah, just for y'all. If y'all didn't know, now y'all know. This was from last year. So let me show y'all something. So last year I got this. Yeah. Midwest Fest first best new Malibu or Impala. That's Holler 2 for y'all. Now y'all know. See y'all at the car wash. Alright, Holler Gang, I'm at the car wash now. Yeah, I'm about to wipe it down. Wipe all this excess water off. But y'all, this is gonna be the last. This is really gonna be my last car show ish. Because I'm gonna do a trunk or treat. I'm gonna do a trunk or treat. I think next week, and it's a trunk or treat car show So that's gonna be my last. That's gonna be my last car event. And then that's when we gonna start pulling up on folks, asking what 3 things would you do to your car if Ace gave you the money. So, but that's probably not the next video. Probably in 2 videos we're gonna start doing that. So I'm gonna get off of here, and I can probably show y'all a little bit of on the road, some drive, show y'all some windshield time, and hope I don't get copyrighted. Guy over here got his music going, but yeah, show y'all some windshield time, and then I'll see y'all when I get there.
Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. Yeah, that means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. Slow the stars, what they calling out? I don't know what they talking about. Scoop saying back in Rio, went 3-0, he immortal now. Look at him, I see a lot of eye. A little sluggish getting off the line. As soon as I hit my big strides, yo, wish I got disqualified. Why? Cause I've been in my bag. Collecting the AU, I'm afraid you just competing for ad. When I rap, it's a chemistry lab. Look, got every element stacked. I'm bringing real energy back. Got everything that my enemies lack. I do not care if you're miles away. Get up and grind away. They gonna lie and say that chasing your dreams has got an expiry date. That's cap. 6 figures, I just follow my tax. Fine dining, I just put on my tab. I'm just getting started, so why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. Yeah. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking my place. Listen, I've taken some L's. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got in my bag. Low deals I ain't playing with. Home bills I ain't paying rent. So many doors been opening up like the hotels I've been staying in. Main stages with the bigger lights. Name framed up in the headlines. Drums, guitars, and BVs. Brass section like a second line. Yeah, cause I'm in a wave. I handle my tools like Tony Stark when I'm in the stew. I'm yo.
Alright, Holla Gang. We done made it. My sidekick for today. So we made it. Got the trophy posted. I see Holla 2. Holla 2's clean. I didn't set it up. And then got my little spot set up. Put up the tent. Wiped it down. I had to chill for a minute because I was hot. So this is not this year's, it's last year. That's 2024's trophy. So just putting that out there. But still, they didn't have this category this year, so I'm still claiming it. So it is what it is. And we're about to walk around. Show y'all these cars. Probably have to do some B-roll because they got some music playing up there too. But we'll see what happens. But let's get into it. It's mostly trucks here. I have seen it is mostly trucks here. But we gonna start. Probably just start right up here, right here by my car instead of walking up. So, because I want y'all to see this car that's parked next to me. I want y'all to see the Skylark. The Skylark is cold. Yeah, the Skylark is cold. That's what I didn't do. I didn't pop my hood. I wiped it all down and then I didn't pop the hood. So, oh ho 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 ho. That's right. Okay. That's nice. That's real nice. Like that. I need to do this kind of setup on Holler too. Yeah. I need to do that same kind of setup on Holler too. But I do have a double DIN fuse box. Well, I'll show it to y'all because I'm gonna pop the hood before I walk around. This here is nice. Real nice. Yeah.
This is real cool.
Mm-hmm. Big lips. Big lips. Big lips on the Skylark. The purple top. How big is those lips in the back?
7.
7? Yeah, big lips. Alright, let me pop this hood. Hold on, y'all. Pop this hood right quick. No, you can't just pop it up, girl.
You gotta. What's under there?
The engine
This?
is hot, yeah.
It is hot.
Alright, we gonna do a little something different. I'm gonna set this up different.
You painted this?
Yeah. I didn't do too good of a job, but it is what it is. Ouch, that's hot.
What's hot?
This.
Hi, Daddy. You should leave it right there. It looks like he's jumping.
Do it like this. Yeah. I'll figure it out in a minute, y'all. Y'all bear with me for a hot second. There we go. That's good enough. There. Yeah, that's good. That's good like that. Yep, yeah. How you doing?
We worked 8 hours, then worked at the house for 6. Then went back home.
That's a little Saber. You know, got a Regal. Y'all know who this car belongs to. That's Shane's car. Y'all don't know who Shane? Y'all heard of Midwest Fest. The mug is nice, real nice. Put some work into it. Put some work into it. I need to lock my door. I don't think I did. It's locked now. Yeah. I gotta do this to Holler 2. This is next to Holler 2. Put that cold air intake. Got that Tierra grill. Got the old Slam Vet. Like this setup right here. It's clean. Like that. Oh, we got got some stuff here. We got some stuff right here.
How you guys doing?
Alright, how about yourself?
Not too bad. Pretty nice out.
Good day. It was supposed to rain up in Indy.
Yeah, I know.
I'm glad I came down here.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to rain like 8 o'clock tonight.
Oh. Got a whole line of stuff here, y'all. See all them bottles? Got them bottles, boy. Yeah. Look, trophies.
I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. On top of this tower, I'm just checking on my net worth. I come for what's ours. You just only wanna check first. I come for what's ours. Unless I come for your neck first. I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Said I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, the love and respect first. But I want the love and respect first. On top of this tower, I'm just checking on my net worth. I come for what's ours. You just only wanna check first. I come for what's ours. Unless I come for your neck first. I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Said I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, the love and respect first.
over here to this here truck. Yeah, I want y'all to see this truck. It's a Ford Dually. Mug is nice. It is real nice.
That blue one?
Yeah.
That looks like you're being.
They rolling through. I ain't. Again, we are in Shelbyville Fairgrounds at this car show. Hold on.
I forgot to bring my card reader with me.
Oh, we're gonna go around this way.
I told you to take her out. They were supposed to be handling everyone at the gate.
You give this guy all
They're out
the
now.
equipment to use and don't even get your bag.
This mug here. Y'all see this color blue? Y'all can see me, it's so clean, boy. Y'all can see the colors. This is clean. And the gray with this paint match blue in it, that is nice right there. This is real nice. Look at them lights. And the trailer is the same gray as the wheels. So take that, color match on that. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Interesting. That's not the engine that comes in. Yeah.
Twisted Foundation. Every year the toy drive comes in. What we do is we do all the toys that are brought in, we give to a battered women's shelter. Battered women's shelter, all the money that we raise from donations, from raffle items and auction items and selling everything, we adopt kids to the school systems out through Hancock County is where we're based out of. So, but yeah, so we the toy drive is December 13th. If any of this doesn't sell, it'll be raffle items or auction items at the toy drive. You can win them for $1.
Oh, okay.
So, come on out. We're actually raffling off a truck as well. So,
Oh, that truck right there?
Yep. That's on the other side too if you want a shot of it. $20 a ticket, and you don't have to be present to win.
Oh, that's always a good one.
All I know, all I know, get it, 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 hey, get it, get it, get it, hey, get it, get it, get it, get it, yeah, get it, get it. On my soul, ain't no letting up. I know. Time to step it up. Go hard, too hard. All I ever know. Hand on my heart. When it get dark, stay on my squad. Ain't no fear inside. Might go in attack. Where you from? Refund check. Blow it, get it back. Peeling off. Am I wrong if I say I wanna put my city on? Am I wrong if I say I really did it on my own? Yeah, I get it. 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 Look at that one, I've been in the sun, I've been there, do that. All outside, got all of my pride, won't tuck my chain. Part of my lane, big dog can't stop my flame. Big talk, don't bother with lames. Okay, this part of the game. Gotta take that on the chin. Gotta shake back, hold my hand though. Gotta play my part, no shame. AI when I slide his hand though. Really feel it, ain't no way I can be stopped. Might as well just let me rock. Where you at? On top, on top, on top. I get it, 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 get it. On my soul, ain't no letting up. I know. Time to step it up. Go hard, too hard. All I ever know. Hand on my heart. When it get dark, don't move.
Alright, Holly Gang, we are back! So a few more cars have showed up. When I cut it, man, it had started raining. so I didn't dried off the car. Sun came out. I have ate. I did a couple of laps. But now I'm gonna show y'all some of the cars that just showed up, and then I'll probably end the video for today, and y'all got tune back in tomorrow. Tune back in for the next one. Got tune back in for the next one. But check this one out. So it's a Delta 88. Old Oldsmobile Delta 88 79. What y'all think? What y'all think? Wheels match the well, I thought they matched, but they don't. But it's cool. I like that color though, y'all. Digging that color. This one here belongs to Mr. Get Right. So if y'all see Mr. Get Right, y'all know Mr. Get Right. Tell him I got him on the video. And if you know this car, you from the Indy, you know whose car this is, don't you? Y'all know whose car this one is just by looking. Y'all know whose car this is. Yeah, Delta King is in the house. Yeah, Delta King. Mr. Streets. So y'all see it. He done showed up. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because they banging right here next to me. This little car right here. Oh no, that ain't them. That's that I have to show it to y'all. Woo! Y'all think in the comments.
Are you hitting it? Yeah, I'm about to. You ain't got video of that shit.
On y'all. He squatted on y'all. Yeah, he did. Move back. Yeah, he squatted on y'all. Take that. Yeah. This is for all my truckies, y'all. This is the one. This is the video for all my truckies. If you got a truck, this is the one for you. I got a little bit of something for everybody on this one.
Daddy, I saw this truck right here pulling in. Look on this side.
Man, this mug is flipping, y'all. Y'all see that paint? Y'all see it? Now y'all see it. Woo! Boy, this camera ain't gonna get it. You standing in the light. There it is for y'all. There it is. That's about the best I'm gonna get it. Look at that. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Woo! That mug is sweet. That blue. Sitting on them gold and them gold D's with the silver lips. Y'all see it. But that's a no-no. Shouldn't leave that right there.
Especially where your doors, where your windows are.
It probably ain't far. But that's nice. Hey, I know this one. I done seen this one at Midwest Fest. Seen this. Think it was rolling with a his and hers. I sure did. I think this is his. Yeah, they was rolling back to back at Midwest Fest. Y'all know the deuce and a quarter. Y'all know the deuce and a quarter. Mug is clean. Mug is clean, y'all. I like it. I like it. Oh no, this is hers. Deuce queen. That's hers. Oh, wait a minute. That might be his, cause no, I thought they were the same color. Man, I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch the video. We got the old Cuddy. Boy, they are trying to copyright me. Y'all hear me? They trying to get me copyrighted. But ooh. Now, if I was gonna do my interior, it'd be something like this. It'd be something like this.
Ooh, that's cool.
Mine would be red with black piping or something junk like that, though. It'd be too. That's because I don't want no black interior. That's one thing I don't like. I don't like black interior.
It'll be flipped.
Yeah, it'd be flipped.
It'll be black outline and red.
It's called pipe.
Piping.
Yeah.
Like a cake.
Artiste.
This is giving 50s.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it.
Dad, isn't this a 50s?
Nope.
Dang.
This ain't that old. It's like that's a 66. It's a 66. I seen this guy, Lark. This mug is sweet. Color and all things. Oh, I dig it. I dig it a lot. Oh, I should have had it on the steering wheel too. That would have been cold. But I'm liking this color though. Yeah. Oh my goodness, boy. Copyright is for real around here, y'all. And look, a Malibu tay. Y'all see the Malibu. Y'all, oh boy, if y'all, I just gave y'all a glimpse, but I don't know if y'all seen it. Go back and rewind it real quick. Rewind it real quick. Did y'all see it? Did y'all? Oh, look at that. Y'all don't even see. Y'all gotta pay attention to the detail. Y'all gotta pay attention to the detail. Okay, this gotta be a woman's car. I see it. I see it. But she got the Louis Vuitton pillows on y'all. Got the Louis Vuitton pillows on y'all. Y'all ain't ready. Boy, she killing it. Hey, I don't know who Malibu this is, but I'm digging it. I'm digging it a lot. I'm digging it. I'm digging this. Man, this is a Malibu. This is real clean. This is real clean. It's a 79. This is real clean.
The Labubu matches the car. It has a Louis Vuitton fanny pack on it.
Yeah. Oh, look at the details. I missed that. Look at the details, man. Y'all ain't ready. Let me just go to the next car. Oh, I missed it. Even though I was back here, I missed the dog. I missed the dog.
I got everything.
I don't know whose car this is, but that's clean. That is clean. I'm digging that. I'm digging it.
I'm talking about in it in this car.
Louis Boo. Okay. Okay. I'm digging that. That mug is clean.
Daddy, your tent.
Go get it. Man, I had to go and get my tent. Now y'all see how I got it. I ain't got it staked down, y'all. I mean, it is what it is. I ain't got it staked down, but I will have some steaks tomorrow. Yep, I will have some steaks tomorrow. But lighting ain't all that great, is it, y'all? Here, let me try cleaning this camera off, because I did touch it. Ah, that's a little bit better, but not much. See? But let's go back to these other cars. Back to this one here. We're gonna go to this one here, because I like this. All that purple, boy. Woo.
Daddy, look, it's sparkly.
Mm-hmm. Got them flakes in there, boy. I can only show you a little bit. Oh, there you go. Y'all see it? That mug. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Oh. And that's how they ride. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 of them. 6 of them. Y'all see that tomorrow. Alright, y'all. Y'all know how I'm in. Y'all know how I end all my videos. I holler back. See you in the next video.